This year, I am honored to present the 2023 Caregiver of the Year Award to Sandy Ganon from Heather and Johnny Vermilion's office in Ohio. She adapts to the environments of others with ease, finds a common interest, and implements an activity. This talent she has mastered that has given her clients something to look forward to and could be something simple yet meaningful, like cooking a meal, or something more elaborate, like building a birdhouse, painting it, and filling it every week. During the early stages of the pandemic, she was able to have fun with the idea of wearing masks by bringing in Halloween masks to bring laughter to her clients and make light of a very difficult situation. Each day, she drives around with a waffle iron, egg cooker, games, and crafts in her trunk, ready to share with her clients. Sandy has also been known to rearrange whole living spaces and modify them to fit her clients' needs. She's one of those caregivers that can see a need and find a way to meet it. She makes the most of her time within all levels of care, even clients who have lost their ability to speak. Sandy is able to utilize the 12 tools of dementia to their fullest. A short while back, she reported to Heather that she had a full conversation with a dementia client that barely spoke. Sandy has been the go-to person for numerous caregivers. She meets with them on their first shift, talks to them about difficulties, and helps them with problem solving. She has helped the office organize events, implement new strategies, find the right trainings, and celebrate achieving goals. Sandy serves passionately by learning about her clients' hobbies, likes, dislikes, and getting to know their families. When she is with her clients, she is 100% present and engaged in whatever needs to be done and makes her clients time to do something fun. She bakes cookies for holidays, plays holiday music, and decorates their homes, setting up Christmas trees or putting up holiday lights. She preserves the client's dignity by maintaining a professional work ethic while implementing fun activities such as painting, building, playing games, or planning a fun-filled day, making personal pizzas or watching a favorite movie together. Please join me in congratulating Sandy Ganon, the 2023 Caregiver of the Year.
She's really impacted us so much, and you know what, today, I found out she just takes care of the people she's around. That's just what it is. I had a hole in my dress, and she just so happened to travel with a sewing kit and sewed my dress. So I'm honored to have her on our team to help us grow and share her knowledge, experience, and love and passion for this industry. So, thank you, Sandy.
I'm where I belong.